Hey guys, what's up? This is Zabir, and you are watching Passive Earnings. In this video, I'm gonna talk about my portfolio that is up over $22,200 for the day, up over 14.2%. Basically, I have never been up in a day in two digits. Basically, double digits is what is the total return of the market or S&P 500 over the 1 year timeline in over 100 years. So in the past 100 years, average return of S&P 500 in a year is 10%. But you see here in one single day today, I am up over 14%, which means I'm up over $22,000 on my portfolio for the week. um I am still down over $12,800 for the month. I'm still down $19,400, and for the last 3 months down 20 almost $22,000, and year to date again down $22,200. So at one point just today in the morning I was down $44,400, and look at the portfolio now. So $22,200. So literally slashed half of the losses that I had in just one single day. And that's what you're seeing here. If you look at the overall broader market, NASDAQ ETF, which is Qs or QQQ, Invesco QQQ, is up over 11.8% for the day. After hours, it's up again. And if you look at the SPY, which is the broader index ETF for S&P 500, it is also up close to 10%. So this is the total average return of S&P 500 over 1 year period for the last 100 years, which you see in a day. This is extremely unstable and highly unlikely that it would stay at this levels. For now, I would just enjoy and the day gains. So my average cost, I have been buying $110 worth of SPY every single day for the past year or so. I My average cost per share is $566.22. Currently, the price is $544.80. So basically, I have a loss of $2,100. But just today, I made up $5,000. So I was down more than $7,000, if you see here. And now I am down only $2,100. This is my long-term investment. I'm not gonna pull money out or sell my ETF stocks anytime soon. But what I'm doing is I'm selling covered calls. So I'm selling a 1 month out covered call for any ETF or stock that I hold, of in 100 numbers. So basically for a contract to sell a covered call, you need to have 100 shares. So that's why I have 101.9 shares of SPY. I'm selling a covered call at $599, and it will expire on April 30th. If you don't know about covered calls and how do you sell them, you basically need to have 100 shares of any given stock, and you need to have account level 3 options trading enabled for your account. So in this Robinhood account, I have that enabled. So once I have 100 shares, I can trade SPY option or any other stock option, and I can sell a call if I have 100 shares. And I likely and more than likely, I would want to sell a covered call that is above my cost basis. So say for example, 1 month out, I can sell for May 9th. And say for example, my cost basis is $544. So I bought 100 shares today. I can sell them 30 days out at point 0.2 delta is what I usually pick. So I can make $232 deposited to my account for the next 30 days, plus the money, the difference between 544 and 574. So $30 per share I'll make if this get executed, plus $232. So basically, it's $32.32, because $30 here from 544 to 574, $30 here, and then $2 per share. So $2 additional. So $32.32 per share increase that I will have, which is a lot. And for 100 shares, that's like $3,200 in a month, which is not bad at all. But if you want to be a little conservative, as I am, I go little more, so little less than zero point 0.1 delta. In this case, I would go somewhere here, maybe make little less money here. But if you think about it, from 544 to 590, that's gonna give me $36 for per share, plus 75 cents per share. So $36.75 for every share in 30 days, if the share value or the stock price or the ETF price goes beyond 590, above $590. So that's how selling covered call works. But yeah, that's the plan. I'm super happy for today's performance. Although, if you look at my all times portfolio, I saw a steep decline from February 10th, when my portfolio was at all-time high at $209,000, to within few days, I saw my portfolio to be at $161,000. Today actually was $158,000 when the day started, and then look at us now, $179,000. So I'm up almost 9.8% at all time. But just for the day, I'm up 14% and above. So my strategy, I'm selling covered calls on the 800 shares of SOXL that I have. My buying price for SOXL, if you look here, is $15.24 for all 816 shares that I have. And I'm selling a covered call over my average cost basis, which is $15.50 for 800 shares. And I got some 30 cents per share for 800 shares credited to me, basically 200 something dollars. But it I may roll this out if it goes above and beyond this. I'm also selling put on May 2nd at the price $22. But we'll see how this all goes, because I don't want to let this execute and increase my cost basis to $22 again. But on average, I would still be around $18 average stock price for SOXL. Currently, my average is $15.24 per share. And we'll see how that all spans out till May 2nd, when both of these contracts are expiring. Basically, there are 17 contracts that's gonna expire on May 2nd. So that's what the plan is. And then I'm also using some margin money. I sold deep out of the money put yesterday at $23. And now let's look at the price of TQQ. So TQQ is triple leverage QQQ. So QQQ is up almost 11%. So this is up over 35%, basically close to 36% for the day. So it is highly unlikely that in next 2 days I will get assigned shares at $23, because currently it is at $53. So I'm gonna keep the premium. I think I got premium of 10 cents. Yes, 10 cents for 40 contracts. So $400 that I made here. So that's right back in my pocket. What I'm gonna do with that is I'm buying $110 worth of SPY every day, so it goes buying in that. And then maybe next week when we have a red day, as a big red day, I will sell these options again, maybe even with the lower price than 23 or somewhere around 23, because I think that's a safest spot anyways. From $53 to 23 in a week, it's highly unlikely that it's gonna execute. But we'll see how this all spans out. It has been a wild ride, and I'm happy and that I've been able to get the gains of almost 14.3% for the day. But year to date, we are still down over 11% or $22,000. So looking at it now, I think I'm gonna keep buying SPY every single day until the current price goes above my cost basis, which is the average cost that I'm paying. I have paid for my 100 shares of SPY. So I'll keep buying SPY every single day. I have a recurring payment investment of $110. So I'll keep buying that until this price goes over $566. So that's about it. I hope you guys like this updated video and the news that I shared. If you are in a stock market, you probably have seen your portfolio fluctuate and take big swings on both sides in the past couple of weeks. But this was a really good day. I love the green days. That's it. I hope this worked out well for you as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.